If you just scored a Raspberry Pi Pico, you'll want to get it connected and working with other hardware right away. That's what header pins are for. First, trim the included male header strips into two 20-pin lengths. Next, place the strips in the breadboard like so. Now mount the Pico on top, ensuring all the pins are protruding through the holes. Solder both the header and the Pico's gold pad by heating it with a hot soldering iron tip, then dipping the end of your solder in to melt and make a connection. And when you're done, check for solder bridges. You can usually fix most bridges by simply running the iron tip between the pins. Pico is now ready to connect. Hey, it's already in a breadboard, which is handy.